Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Here I am your teacher, Miss Samra. How are you, my dear sweet kids class? You fine? Wow, that's awesome. I'm also fine and good. So, are you ready for the today's work? Take out your English workbook, page number 47. Open your page number 47. Okay, you open the page. Now look at this page. Wow, it's so interesting activity. You want to do this activity? Everyone is ready. So what you have to do first? Yeah, you have to mention the date as necessary. Alright. So today the date is 7 September 2000 and tell 20, and the day is Monday. You have to write here the day. M-O-N-D-Y-D, Monday. Okay, it's a Monday. It's a Monday. It's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what we have to do now? Yes, we have to look them carefully and have to recognize the weather. Through weather chart we have to recognize this. So could you tell me what is this? Yes, which type of weather you can see here? It's windy weather. See, it's windy. The trees are bending because of the wind. It's a windy weather. It's not drizzling. It's rainy weather. See, rain is coming out from the clouds. It's rainy weather. All right, and it's smiling happy sun. It's sunny day. It's only clouds, no rain. Is there any rain? No raindrops. So it's only cloudy weather. It's again sunny. Again cloudy. Again sunny. Wow. It was sunny on Monday? No. Monday को sunny नहीं है. Tuesday? No. Wednesday? Yes. So fast right here. WEDNESDAY. Sunny day. Is it sunny? No. Yes, Friday is sunny. Write down here Friday. FRIDAY. Friday is sunny. And Sunday is sunny. SUNDAYD. Sunday. 3 days are sunny. It was windy. Oh my God, बहुत तेज हवा चल रही है, तूफान आया हुआ है. It was windy. Where's the wind? Monday. On Monday, here we can see the wind. MON, man. DAYD, Monday. It's a windy. All right. So it was cloudy on. Cloudy. I think this is cloudy. No, teacher, it's not only cloudy. The rain is coming out from the cloud. So how you can say it's cloudy? It's rainy. So this is cloudy. No. This is cloudy on Thursday. THURS DAYD, Thursday. Wow. It was cloudy on Thursday and Saturday. SATURDAY. 2 days are cloudy days. It was rainy weather. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Wow, rainy weather on Tuesday. Write down here Tuesday. Tues, Tues, Day. Rainy weather on Tuesday. So now tell me, there are dash days in a week. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many days? SEVEN. There are 7 days in a week. We have holiday on Saturday and Sunday are holidays. Saturday and Sunday are holidays. So we have holiday on SATUR, Saturday. We have holiday on Saturday and SUN, Day, Sunday. Now it's complete. It's all about the days and weather. You did the awesome activity, and you can also easily recognize the weather. So it's today's work. Now I say to you, do neat and clean work, obey your parents, and keep smiling. Bye bye.